Hi guys, so papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako gumagawa ng daily setup ko and paano ako nagko-compute ng risk-reward ratio natin. So in this case, what I'm trading is gold. Ayan, gold tayo guys ha. So first is of course, we need to know exactly ano ba yung trend, diba? Both fundamentally and technically speaking, lahat yan is uptrend. They're all going bullish because of course sa mga geopolitical tensions na nangyayari sa US and yung mga trade war na nangyayari specifically with US and China. So nakaka-apekto siya sa global market. That's why si gold is really going bullish. So ngayon I'm gonna go down to 1 hour time frame and here's where I'm gonna be looking for a setup. So in this case, maghahanap tayo dito sa pinaka-recent ng support and resistance natin and then dun tayo papasok ng trade. First is we need to look for our solid support and resistance and I'm looking at here in this area. And then for our resistance, it's probably around here. We have a solid support and resistance. So maglalagay tayo ng entry somewhere here. So dito, kapag bumagsak ang presyo dito sa presyo na yan, then this is the area where we will be putting our entry. If hindi man dyan, then probably here sa ating another support area which is 3,393. And then maglalagay ako ng SL somewhere dito sa pinakababa na tong swing low natin dito. So dito sa presyo nito, ayan. So 3,065. Let's change the color. May nating colored red for our SL. Ayan, this is for our SL. And for our TP, somewhere here. Palitan natin ng color. Gawin natin green for our TP. So, this is our TP. 3,431. Okay. So, ngayon meron tayong setup for the day. Ang next naman natin gagawin is kukumputin natin kung ano ba yung ideal lot size. Yes, you have to compute your lot size. Otherwise, kung 0.01 ka, then you're not utilizing the potential income that, di ba, you're supposed to get. Kung sobrang over lot sizing ka naman, then you're risking too much. So, paano po kayo makakapag-compute? All you need to do is to sign up here sa Legendary Trading Academy. Kailangan nyo lang mag-sign up and then makakagawa po kayo ng account dyan. Pag nakagawa na po kayo ng account dyan, magla-login lang po kayo and then ma-access nyo na po to. So, meron tayo dito trading tools. Ayan, meron tayong calculator dito, trading calculators. And then, pwede na po kayong mag-compute dyan ng position size and risk calculator nyo. So, in our case, talagay lang natin dito, syempre, gold ang instrument natin. Currency, din-deposit natin is US dollar. And then, ano ba yung open price natin? Open price natin, lalagay natin dito. So, balikan natin sa trading view, ano ba yung open price natin? So, open price natin is 3,387.966. 0.96. So, yan na, nilagay natin. And then, for our stop loss, lalagay natin dito. Ayan. So, balikan natin ulit yung trading view. Ito yung stop loss natin, 3365.14. Lalagay natin dyan, 3365.14 for our stop loss. So, ngayon, magkano ang capital natin? So, for example, capital natin is $2,000. Diba? $2,000. How much yung rate or risk na willing ako mawala dito sa $2,000 ko? I'm willing to lose 5% of this. Then, we can now calculate this one. So, lalabas na yung resulta niyan. So, ayan, na-compute na natin. Lumabas na yung resulta niya na ang ideal lot size daw is 0.04. Yan, 0.04. So, pwede kayong mag-apat na 0.01 dyan or isang entry na 0.04, diba? So, ang potential risk ko dyan, pag nawala yung 5% is $100. So, potentially, ito yung mawawala sa akin. Kung palpak man tong ating setup, diba? So, kung mali man tong ating setup. So, ayun guys, may setup na tayo for today. Paano nyo naman malalaman kung paano yung sa risk reward, diba? Gawa lang kayo ng long position. Sa long position, set nyo lang dito, and then, ilagay nyo lang, saan nyo nilagay yung iyong SL. Ito, sa area na to. And then, saan mo nilagay yung TP? Dito. Ayan. So, hindi pala, i-move natin to dito. Ito pala yung pinaka-entry natin. Diyan. Dito sa support na to. So, ang ating risk reward is 1:2.1. That is the most ideal. Kailangan hindi 1:1, kailangan 1:2. Kailangan mas malaki pa rin yung profit mo dun sa potential risk. So yun na guys, free giveaway setup na yun. So yun lang guys, dapat talaga gamitan nyo ng risk-reward ratio and mag-calculate kayo ng proper lot sizing based dun sa willing kayo i-risk tsaka dun sa stop loss nyo. Okay?